up-close video. This is looking at the brand new foiled craft card from Tonic and Craft Perfect. So there are 8 different packets. Each packet comes with 5 A4 sheets in, just like any of their usual specialty cardstocks. They always come in a pack of 5. And they have 4 different types. So we've got gold foil on black, silver foil on grey, gold foil on actual craft colour, and then a rose copper foil onto white, which I think is my favourite. I've got a few samples to show you that I've made, mostly just using the black and the gold actually, because the 2 I made using the copper I haven't got anymore, and I haven't had a chance to play with the silver yet, but I wanted to show you all the card as well, and I'm sure you'll see it popping up in my videos too. So we've got black first, and we have the golden Quatrefoil and the golden Polka Dot, because it's black but it's got gold foiling on. And here is, so this is a piece of just the showing you the gold foiling on the black, which is the polka dot version, and this is the Quatrefoil one, but I've actually sprayed on it with some of the, what's it called, I think it's called Antique Gold Mica Mist, which came out in the original lot of Mica Mists. I just added that on to give a different effect, so you can see it just kind of mutes the pattern a little bit really. It's a slightly different gold, but it just sort of disguises the pattern, makes it not so obvious. So that is what the black, or the gold on the black looks like. Then we have the silver, which is on a grey craft card. We've got silver Damask, which is stunning, and we have silver stripes as well. I've not had a chance to use either of these, but I just took a sheet of this out of the packet to show you. Look how amazing that looks. So posh. Can you imagine these as the covers of your memory books, or even just like really simple cards just with a sentiment on top as well? So gorgeous. Look at that beautiful foiling as well. And so you've got the damask pattern, yeah, silver damask, and then the silver stripes as well. Then you've got the gold, which my packets are feeling very light. I seem to have used the most of these ones. Well, gold's not usually my favourite. I'm not sure why I've used so much, but anyway. So this is gold foiling onto like brown craft card, your regular kind of craft card. And this is called Golden Blossom and Golden Zig Zag. So I've got a piece of both of these out because I've been using them. So that is the Golden Blossom. I love this one. I love that pattern. It's so beautiful. And then that is the Golden Zig Zag as well. So I suppose in all of them actually you've got more of a feminine and a masculine. So because you know, this is probably more feminine with all the florals, and that's definitely very masculine with the chevrons. So in all of the different colours you've kind of got more feminine, more masculine option, which is really great. And then we have the white craft card, which has got rose gold on it. So you've got rose gold triangles, which I used on one of the cards I've already done. I'll put some photos at the end because I haven't got the card anymore. And then we've got the rose gold hearts as well. I do really love both of these. I think they're gorgeous. But this is a piece of the rose gold. Look at that. It's like coppery rose gold. It's gorgeous. And it's actually a very similar colour to the, what's it called, Sun-Kissed Copper, yeah, Sun-Kissed Copper gilding flakes from Nuvo as well, very similar. So if you wanted to say have your sentiment cut out of foiled cardstock in the same colour, you could foil your own card using the Sun-Kissed Copper gilding flakes, which would be really beautiful. Actually, all the colours, all of their gilding flakes are basically the same colours as all the foiling they've used, so that will work perfectly with it. Yeah, so that's the rose gold version. So, as I said just now, I haven't got some of the samples that I've made, but I've just done 3 more, so I'll show you them. But these are just mostly using, well, solely using the black and the craft, like the brown craft. So this one was just really simple, but I wanted to try using the shimmer powders on top of the black card. I didn't go too overboard, I just used some of the storm cloud and a little tiny bit of solar flare as well, just to give a little bit of interest to the background, but not detract from the gorgeous dotty texture too much. And then I've layered a bit of that gold one behind, and I've done like a channel card where you sort of raise up the two panels either side, and then that's a sentiment strip die in the middle. Then for this, I'll show you this one first. This is the one that I used that misted card on, and I just used the stitch square dies to create a 3x3 pattern, and then I used that special friend. And actually I did originally just have the gold version, but I added a white one over the top, but the one underneath the white die cut of the sentiment is the foiled card, but I was much more heavy-handed with the mica mist on it, so it looks almost completely gold. But it was getting too lost, so I put a white die cut over the top. And then I did this one, which I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but it pattern matches. Like, I mean, it's spot on in most areas. Some areas are slightly different, so they must have changed the pattern across the sheet of card. But this is using one of the patterned panel dies and lining it up so you get the same pattern on the raised up piece as is on the below piece. I just thought it was a cool idea. I thought it would look nice. You could add another die cut behind the intricate one and offset it, like shadow it, so it was even more obvious, but I quite like the subtle look of it. Yeah, so that was the 3 samples that I've made with the card, and you'll definitely be seeing the rose copper on white in some videos because I really want to play with that again. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little close-up look at the foiled craft card that's brand new from Craft Perfect and Tonic Studios. So thank you for watching, bye!